Hi everyone, welcome to Cook School. My name is Chef Nicole and today I'm going to teach you how to saute your vegetables. So what is sauteing? Well, sauteing is a high heat, low fat cooking method that's good for people on a low fat diet and for people who have just no time. What's also good about this method is that it keeps the vitamins and the nutrients in the vegetables because it cooks fast. So let's start. Heat up our pan. You want to make sure that the pan is hot before you saute your vegetables. Okay, it's heating up. I'm using olive oil to saute my vegetables. I like it because it's healthy and good for you. You don't want to use extra virgin olive oil, you want to use just olive oil. So, in a hot pan, add in a little oil. Swirl it around to get an even coating of oil. Let it heat up again. When it's hot enough, add in your aromatics like your onion and your garlic. What's very important actually is to make sure that all your vegetables are cut the same size so that everything cooks evenly and you don't get some mushy and then some hard. That's not nice. So add in your onions. Make sure that it sizzles when it hits the pan. That's when you know it's hot enough. The onion goes in and then the garlic. I like to add in the onions first so that the garlic doesn't burn. So the garlic goes in. So just saute your onions until they're cooked. I'm going to show you what vegetables we're going to use today. You can use whatever kind of vegetables you like. I like using capsicums. I use them in every color. Red is my favorite because it's the sweetest. And sliced button mushrooms. So once your onions are cooked, I'm going to add in the vegetables that are hardest the first because they take longer to cook. So the green goes in, then the red, yellow. Increase your heat. Capsicums don't take long to cook. I like them still a little bit crunchy. The button mushrooms. Toss them well. Pinch of salt. Freshly ground black pepper. Toss again. And the last step, increase your heat. Add in a little bit of water so that the steam from the water cooks the vegetables. So just a little bit. Turn the heat off. And you're done. And there you have it, super yummy, super fast sauteed vegetables.